Hello, this is a part 2 video on how to whistle loudly without your fingers. So in the last video, I spoke about making a TH sound with your, or have a TH position with your lips and tongue. So I'd like to emphasize that part, and I think that is the most important part of my last video. So I'd get to the TH position with your mouth, like saying this. This is the way, like this, that, them. So do that. Like you'll feel your tongue vibrate a little, but then start moving it back and forth. Like, and once you hear that bellowing sound, then you basically got it. So you go them, and that's about it. So good luck.